Ebi Archbishop Stephen Kazimba Mugaru yabigambo byabaye bembiro kushaba aha mukoro gwo kwigurira iraro erya Kasana Church of Uganda Health Center ya Kashatu rero kushangwa umugombore ya Kasana umurishema. Iraro eri ryombekirwe Dr. Nicholas Mwebesa wa Dr. Nicholas Foundation kandi oryenzarwa omukichwe kechi.
People are talking about corruption. And there is a church talk about corruption. We cannot fight corruption unless a person is totally converted from within. It should be every person's initiative.
His Grace yashobora ko bushomankuze butakwatirine nebyemfuna byonka konka nibihikano mumaka.
Because some people say corruption, but even themselves they are corrupt. If you cannot supply for your children, you leave your children here and you go with another woman. You pay school fees for the concubines, and your children are suffering. You are a corrupt person.
Umuringo ngugumwe His Grace yahanandireza abakristayo kuba mu gashomonse rahanga yabaca batireho harukereze cyo kureberaho hecha Dr. Nicholas.
There are some women here who are saying, tell them. And if you are a married woman and you make a decision of sleeping at the extreme end of the bed, and the man is sleeping at the extreme end, and the devil is the one sleeping in between, this couple is corrupt. That we live a life worthy of his calling. God is calling us, and we should fight corruption from the heart. Because the heart is so deceitful.
Ebyo bikiriaho Minister wa Government Sebyanga Honorable Minister Rafael Magezi owajwekera omugenyi mukuru yashobora hantekateke ya PDE.
Sentence President atuhire ni milioni 10 burumuruka omwaka ogwire tuzubahire noko mwaka ogwire ebiro 30 bwo kwa mukaga tubongire milioni 10 burumuruka kandi ogo mwaka gwatandika parliament etire zindi milioni 10 burumuruka ekyo rukumaisa burumuruka gukora burugamo ogubare milioni 300 eituru kugambira twaza kuhika mu kwezi kwa mwenda esente ezo eka ebyo ngoro zitari z'abagiga zitari z'abebembezi tubahereza milioni 1 esente ezo tokuzisharaho n'omutwaro gumwe imwe abakutunga esente za parish modo kware hina kubasharaho omutwaro gumwe ninge biri ngo ndizamworo mugundi mutereze reporter irabo chairman turebe cyo gukora
waitu kandi wonkweda ngunyeta n'umukazi we Dr. Mwebesa Ragaha n'umukazi iza n'umukazi iza we haro bundi nabaninde bakatabaka habakaine account of service to wingi, but somewhere in one of those pages when you look at the pictures right here doctor, when you look at the pictures there's a page, okay, the last page, but on the inside of the last page look there mureba abaino butabo reba orupapuro rwa muhero rw'akatabo rero munda yarwo nienda murebe bisa n'ebyo abeshemu abantu ba Ruhanga